Welcome to Secure Financial Education. Subscribe to the channel. We have the answers you need for the life you want. This short financial basics video is about how to look for savings. When it comes to your money, it is very important that you look for ways to save it wherever you can. In fact, even if you consider yourself financially well off, you should still make it a habit to save money when you can. This is a great way to stay in good financial shape, and also a great way to get into great financial shape if you aren't quite there yet. Start with your household bills, such as utilities. Turn lights off when not needed, consider where you set the thermostat and use less water. If you make a concentrated effort, and really pay attention to your monthly bills, you will see a big difference in costs. Make a list of all the ways that you can reduce your utility payments and household costs. Use coupons, and take advantage of sales. If you need new bedroom furniture, don't just rush out and buy it. Instead, look for liquidation sales, overstock sales, or furniture stores that are going out of business. You will find remarkable savings in this way. Use store coupons whenever you can. It takes a little time to clip them, but those small savings of a few cents here and there can really add up. Make lifestyle changes that will make you healthier and richer. If you use tobacco or drink, think about how much money you spend on those habits. You must also include healthcare expenses that are related to those habits. If you look at the big picture, you will find that your unhealthy habits cost a lot more than you realize. Break those habits and you will not only become healthier, your bank balance will be healthier as well. If you make a list of things that you commonly spend money on, and if you really think about it, you will find numerous ways to save money. Take those savings and put them in a savings account, and you will be pleasantly surprised at how fast that balance grows. I know the idea of saving can be severely criticized by big-time money makers, but the truth is that saving your money is as important as making money. While savings is not the end of the problem, it's a quick defense strategy you can implement almost instantly. I hope this makes sense and adds value to your life. Please share your thoughts below in the comments. Please comment below, your opinion is important. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. We have the answers you need for the life you want.